to fit this inside the clutch housing and to keep it secure inside, you have to actually press it in. Once I get that back out. So we have to press it in. After pressing it in, you have to put this C-clip around it, which sits in there. And what we're gonna do is this is gonna be proper DIY, guys. I'm gonna try to hammer in with the punch. And we're gonna try one. Actually, I'm gonna use my tripod. Okay. Wow. It actually works. I think it works fine. Absolutely fine. I can change the direction. Right there as well. Maybe over that way. Okay. Okay, so we've got room for this. It is going in by just. Yeah, I should have used some lube to make it going smoother. We are rough. And forcing in. Now it's going right there. The screwdriver.